Hello there. In today's video, I will show you how to find out if you forget your Discord password. So let's see how to find out Discord password. Follow my all step properly. First, open your Discord application. Then log in and phone number or password. So we are forgot Discord password. How to find out? I will show you this process. So first open your Gmail account. Click now profile icon and then manage your Google account. Tap now and then security and sign in. Tap on. Scroll down and see password manager. Tap on. See Discord. Tap on. Discord password. By this easy way, you can see easily Discord password.